Hello, 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 hello. Welcome back, everybody, to our Crypto Traders Arena. This is our weekly crypto review as I stumble to get started here. Episode 17, 17 weeks in on the year, it sounds like, and today's the last, well, basically the end of the month. So starting out a new month tomorrow, and so far Well, I got on my screen here. The robots are taking over for sure. They're about to kick our ass. So I don't know. I have this on my screen, but I thought it was funny. This freaking robot's about to. Well, I don't want to fight that thing. So you can if you want. Welcome back, everybody. Looks like YouTube's up and running. And I think I got Mr. Paul J here with me today. You here, sir?
Hello, hello. Yeah, I'm here
Nice.
as
Well,
usual.
welcome. Yeah. As usual, we've been pretty damn consistent. We've made it every Sunday since the first of the year when we started this show.
Yeah,
And we do plan on being here every week, regardless of what's going on in the markets. We're still on our way to just, hopefully following this accumulation year, trying to buy these altcoins cheap and sell them in the next run up. Maybe bang out some doubles along the way if we're lucky. And so far, it's going pretty good. I mean, the first quarter of the year was pretty, a lot of these altcoins were not really buyable because we did have sort of rally right out the gates. End of December, prices bottomed and shot straight up. And so a lot of the bigger names weren't really buyable yet. But hopefully, I think coming up, we'll probably start seeing levels that we can buy. And of course, our plan has bought, I don't know, we've bought probably a handful of coins, maybe like 10 or 15 or something. Paul will get into that later. But for our road to financial freedom plan, and I've bought a bunch of shit coins really and banged out quite a bit of doubles. I don't have any doubles to report today, unfortunately, so which isn't a huge surprise. Market wasn't really popping off too hard this week, at least in altcoin land. Bitcoin's super volatile this week, but anyhow, I think I'll just get into the quick review that I normally do, and just kind of look at the broader market for a minute. And then we'll get into the next 5 altcoins we have on deck for our plan and see what's there. And Paul will go over the spreadsheet again, and we can see what we've bought so far. And of course, if you want to follow along with that, you know where to find that in the Discord room. So, but hey, everybody that's here, Stefan, what's up, man? I guess, I got DXY on the screen here. I'll start with that as usual. Just a weekly chart here. Still a strong downtrend, man. And as much as it's been trying to bottom, it's not really seeing any kind of real bottom here. And the stock market doesn't want to break, really. It keeps, even towards the end of this week, popped up pretty hard. So that sort of inverse correlation here is still making sense. And I don't see a weekly chart. All I see is these moving averages pointing down, and this fractal top off of the 13 EMA. So I mean, there's just nothing here to suggest a bottom. Now I have this green alert because that was a W, I think, on the daily that never actually popped and confirmed. So tried pretty hard this week to at least make that daily W, but couldn't. And now really all I see is this 200 period moving average down in the reload zone. And I'm thinking, what are the chances of us having to pop or just break down to that level? And seems pretty good. And I noticed Stanley Druckenmiller's short the dollar, and I wonder where I saw him first say that he missed this run up, and that was I think I saw him say that was like his biggest mistake of his trading career, which is pretty funny. He felt like he wasn't on point with this and missed that rally. And then he said he was short, and I'm wondering where that guy's short from, because I don't know if you don't know who he is. He's, I don't know, probably one of the best traders ever. And I saw he's short the dollar now, so I wonder what his entry and exits look like. But nonetheless, it doesn't look particularly bullish on the weekly chart. And the daily is just kind of bumping along like, I'm still waiting on this trend line. And this would have been a W, at least on the other side of the trend line, not fully on the other side. But this W never could break out. And we're just sort of bumping along down here against the bottom of the range. It did F you the low here really quick, but managed to stay above it. And now it's trying to bottom, but there's nothing here. The MACD div did come in finally, but RSI never got oversold. So I don't know if we have to if RSI needs to dump down and oversold, and this thing might maybe walks down the trend line to the reload zone. I wouldn't be surprised, which would suggest that the markets are going to still kind of have a little bit of uppiness to them. But we'll see what happens there. But no bottom in DXY. SPY just man, they managed to really fu everybody on the options expiry because I'm sure they were sucking people in to buying puts here with this M top coming in, heading into the end of the month. And then they just ripped it the other way and just broke everybody's hearts, I'm sure there. But really nothing huge surprise. I mean, I'm still kind of, I think last week I talked about taking out this high at minimum. I figured they'll probably at least wash this high, which is the actual top of the 52-week range, basically, I think. Well, actually, that's not true. The 52-week range is this high back here. So, so I don't know. I think we still are going to push somewhere up into here. I don't know if we'll complete this ABCD before this rolls over, but I wouldn't be surprised if we do. I mean, if anything, this is sort of a big, massive W that's going to break out if we do take that high out. So we'll see what happens there. But, sort of the makings of a potential MACD divergence here as we do break to new high. RSI also not unlike DXY, or like the DXY, I should say, DXY is not oversold, and SPY is not overbought. So I mean, the market hasn't topped yet. I don't know what to say other than that. It just hasn't topped yet. There's no top here. I mean, sure, we were breaking down last week and kind of seemed like we could roll over, but obviously we just popped right back up to the highs. And I don't know, did we even take out that? I guess we haven't taken this high yet. 415.72 and 415.94. So we actually did take out this high. So we'll see what happens this week. But nonetheless, there's no top in this market here. I do know on the weekly chart there is like a bearish divergence that's been working. But I think I've said a bunch before. If I don't see RSI up into overbought or oversold, these MACD divergences are worth less to me. So for what it's worth. But anyway, you can see on the weekly chart, they really FU'd everybody this week. Any put buyers that were, playing short-term expiries on options probably got run over pretty hard. And I think I saw I think Wall Street was making money anything above 417, I think, or I was 414 actually, and they closed the market at 415. So they got what they were looking for. Tech, I talked about tech rolling over last week a little bit, but sure enough, it just popped to new highs. No real, it's just the same as, or this is NASDAQ, I should say, but no real difference from the SPY. They popped the range again, and now this ABCD is still very much in place. So I don't know. So keep talking about sell in May and walk away, and I think that's actually still, we'll see what happens here heading into May. That's this coming week, and of course we have the FOMC meeting. So there is a big FA event here on Wednesday. Most likely the Fed is going to raise rates, I would think. But so we're heading into a fundamental event. I think that's on Wednesday, and then also we're heading into this kind of sell in May window, and the market's pointing up. So I mean, I don't know at this point if we're pointing up straight into Wednesday. I suppose on the other side of Wednesday we should look for some potential sell-off after that. But either way, this thing's just cranking. This ABCD looks like it's on target, and a lot of the names in this, Meta, Microsoft, Nvidia, they're all just crushing. Like Microsoft, well, there was like good earnings, I guess, for these some of these tech companies this week, and you can see like Microsoft's just shooting higher, Meta shooting higher. So those are what are driving the NASDAQ up. But looks like Meta just hit the 50% level here. So we'll see what happens, but I don't see a top in here. At least for RSI is overbought here, but I don't know. Do you see an M, or do you see even good trade location? We'd probably be looking to short up here. 61.8's at 270, and we have nothing in the indicators to suggest we're rolling over. So I don't know. It's hard to say. Hard to be bearish when I look at that. Not to say the same about Bitcoin, as much as I do think that some pullback is likely to happen here in May. I just think it's hard to be super bearish. But Bitcoin does have a little bit more bearish confirmation I'll get into in a minute. VIX, I'm not going to say a lot about other than it just keeps pushing to lower lows. It's funny. It just keeps pushing down. It tried to pop up a little bit. This is a weekly chart, but I do think that we're approaching the first gap level that I thought would get filled here. and we have this one going way back here. So somewhere in this area, I do expect the VIX to bottom, and that's when the stock market's going to roll over. But it's not yet. So far, it's just shooting down, which means the public is generally not anxiety riddled in regards to their investments. So for whatever that's worth. So that's a broader market. Still kind of pushing up. That's all I can really say. No tops here yet on the daily and weekly charts. Just pushing higher. And we get into this May thing, and we'll see what happens. I should have saved it. I did see a chart about that was covering sell in May events over the last while, and it's a little bit of a mixed bag. Like when you think about the stock market, like it kind of seemed to me like maybe it's not sell in May as much as, really it's like May is sort of the end of the seasonal trade. So it's like, prices have a tendency to bottom into the end of the year, tax loss selling and stuff like that. And then they, I think the professionals seasonal trade is, buying in December, January, and then they're going to be looking to take profits heading into like May. So it doesn't necessarily mean like a massive sell off, everything's going to zero. It could also just mean, sideways price action as the bottom sets up for like the summer rally. So, and I was looking back at Bitcoin a bit, and I mean, like, not to go way too deep in this, but let's just look really quick. Like what happened last May, you can kind of see, prices were we were in a bear market for one, very much a different scenario than now, because at least we're in sort of a basing market now, whereas last year was full on bear. So we were actually selling off into May here. That's April. May hit right here. And then you can see the dump. So like, that's like a kind of sell in May type environment. But of course, we were in a very much lower lows kind of environment where price just couldn't buy a friend through much of this. So that was to be expected, I'd suppose. The May before was height of the bull. That we were definitely in a bull market kind of rolling over, but you can kind of see here May 1st, we were rallying into May and then dumped. So that was May 11th. So that's definitely selling May, I would say. Now that was also different scenario. That was a rip roaring bull that we had been in that was also rolling over. And you can kind of see like, I don't know if you'd call that a head and shoulders, but at least you can see the sort of head and shoulders type top coming in here into that. So that was May of 21. And then May of 20, it's probably more like now. Let's see here. Where's that at? Yeah, so May of 2020 was sort of like a basing year like now, I would say, coming out of COVID lows. And we just kind of went sideways. So, it's like we rallied, basically, let's see, the end of the year was back here. We dumped into January, February for COVID, and then we rallied into May and then just went sideways. But see, here's a good example of, so this is kind of what I think could potentially happen here actually is, we just basically went flat into June and July, and then see that W right there that broke out in July. That's kind of what I'm thinking could happen again, so like, do we roll over a bit into May this year? And in a way, this is kind of what the market looks like sort of now, I would say. It's been, basically strong bounce off the lows. But you see that W broke out in July. So that was this, and of course this started the bull run, and maybe that happens in Bitcoin and crypto this year too. But at least like, I think whatever happens over the next few months, we want to be paying attention to the, as we head into June and July, and see if there's any sort of bottoming action for the summer rally. So I guess it's either, sell in May like the previous couple years, or sideways in May. We'll have to see what happens. But nonetheless, like, I mean, I just kind of went on a tangent there, but with Bitcoin, now, at least hopefully you can respect the fact that we have doubled off the lows, in November, December, end of the year. And now we've basically doubled here. We're sitting at 30, right now, and the bottom's at 16. So, but did Bitcoin actually double here on Coinbase? I don't know if we got to 31. So pretty damn close nonetheless. But hopefully you can, respect the fact that we've had a strong rally. We're heading into May. We're heading into the FOMC on Wednesday, and we're starting to see divergences in price action here, like daily strong MACD daily divergence with RSI divergence that was in the overbought territory. So very very strong signal of momentum waning. And I did notice the OBV is kind of funny because on Coinbase we don't have a divergence here. Excuse me. Ooh, sorry about that. I mean, we do have potential divergence going all the way back to February. OBV's not been making higher high, but right here, there's no divergence working as we push through these highs, which on Binance there is. So I don't, if anything, I mean, no volume has been the story since. I know this is probably kind of dim for you guys, but since March 23rd, so basically the whole month of April, there was quite a lot less volume than the previous months. And you can see OBV not making divergence here, but if I think on Binance, if I go to Binance versus Tether, actually, that's not divergence either. Where was I seeing that divergence? Maybe it was on Coinbase that I was probably just on Binance. Yeah, Coinbase is showing a different scenario here with OBV. You can actually see that we aren't making a higher high. And the volume's not as, clearly something happened with Binance's volume. Maybe allegedly they were running a bunch of quant accounts or in-house accounts that were pumping volume. I don't know. But volume on Binance really went weak. I know they had some like free, no commission trading. Maybe that had some effect that has turned off. But nonetheless, sorry, that's not the line I wanted to draw. That's the line I want to draw. On Coinbase here, that's actually a confirmed OBV divergence. So if you go off Coinbase, that means we basically have divergences across all three of these indicators, which isn't like a super great sign. This is an M top right here, as ugly as it is. It actually is an M. If you look at it on the line chart, you can see the M came in. So in theory here, this is actually not that bad of a short. Either way you look at it, depending on how you figure your location. But we do have indicator confirmation and an M top, and now we've rallied back up into the top. So by many traders' accounts, that would be a decent short location, at least against this range here and against the previous M. So anyway, my long story short, my point is hopefully you can at least appreciate that right here heading into May. This isn't like a place to necessarily be a buyer. I think that you're really putting yourself at risk to go and buy Bitcoin right here, because you might just find a month from now you're going to be underwater. I think it's much better to wait and see how this next couple months plays out and see if there's a better opportunity. Now, of course, I'm not telling you what to do. You go do whatever you want. And sure enough, maybe over the long term, buying right here ends up working for you. But I just think it's, hopefully you can at least respect that this is sort of a dangerous place to be buying. That said, I don't know if, I don't see why price can't keep going higher. In fact, today's pretty uppy looking, but, we still have this head and shoulders that I've talked about every week that's still active, and we didn't get a dip down into the neckline. It would have been nice to see it bounce off the neckline, but it didn't want to get down there yet. And the target's way up at 35, which is also 38.2 of the entire range. So, if you take our top all the way off the original highs, we haven't, there's nice confluence here at the 38.2 level and the head and shoulders target. And even, we have this next spot of resistance here at a 33.6 or so. So I don't know, pushing up into there is still on the table. And if anything, like even like a weekly chart, you look at it and it just looks relatively bullish. I can't really, now I don't think it's a great place to be a buyer here, but I also wouldn't want to be a seller here personally. Like I'm not going to go and sell any investment Bitcoin that I have here because again, we want to be selling up here at minimum, short location is way up here. So just generally pushing higher. I don't know. Potential MACD on the weekly chart, but that's about it. And there actually is the OBV div that's working still on we do have an M top and then divergence working here on OBV. So it is like showing like the momentum's waning, but there's no real top here, especially on the weekly. Definitely no M top. The daily does have a top. But as you can see, it doesn't. I mean, the M broke down and just bounced right back up to the top of the range. So shorter time frame, short location is there, but I mean, I'll let you decide if you want to go take shorts. So I don't know. Bitcoin still just cranking higher. Hopefully, we do roll over. Personally, I as much as I want Bitcoin to go up in general, I wouldn't mind seeing price roll over a bit so that we can start buying some of these altcoins that are currently too high to buy. So anyway, that's Bitcoin for what it's worth, whatever it's worth. Ethereum, I haven't really looked at Ethereum here in a couple days, but I mean, weekly charts still nothing different from last week. I mean, we washed the range high and then came right back into the range. So typically that would mean that and we also came up into this M top resistance. Usually to me that means we probably have to come back down and play in the range here a bit, but no top. And on daily chart, what's going on with Ethereum here? Didn't make it up to the top of the range like Bitcoin did. There's a smaller range here yet. But I do see the MACD divergence in RSI is not in divergence per se, but did get oversold here, or sorry, overbought, excuse me. And OBV is I don't know, kind of weird looking, but M top here in OBV. So same story. It's like it is pushing higher, but we'll just have to see what happens here. I think the FOMC will be a good tell here. If we roll over into FOMC, then that means this sell in May thing's probably still happening, which I do think is very likely to happen. It's some sort of rollover. You know how far it dips, I have no idea. We'll just have to see and play it level by level. But I think the general story here is, yeah, we're a little overdone on this rally in the first part of the year. So it would take some new catalyst or something new to drive price higher. I think, and really from an FA perspective, we actually have events coming up that suggest lower prices. So we'll just have to see if that plays out. Ethereum against Bitcoin, I noticed is just rolling over again, much like I've talked about. I didn't really expect it to be too particularly bullish heading up into this trend line last week. I'm still looking for this ABCD that I've talked about every week, and you can kind of see we just popped up, made a lower high, and rolled over again. So Bitcoin's still kind of outperforming here. Altcoins, probably outperforming altcoins in general too. And just no bottom, I would say here, especially on the weekly chart. But daily chart, no bottom either. Not really divergences per se though, but no top, no divergence signals came in on this top here. But hopefully you can just see it's just lower highs and lower lows. Defines a bear market, they say. So I like the confluence here off this W and the ABCD. So I'm still looking for a bottom somewhere down in the reload zone. Probably make new lows here. That's about it for the broader market, I guess. I don't have much to talk about in altcoin land. I didn't really do any buying. I think I rebought like VSys because I'd already banged a couple doubles out on that. But it didn't look anything. It doesn't really look like anything. It's just in a reload zone again. I figured I'd just go grab some back before I forgot. But I think I have this one here. Nothing exciting, I just basically bought against this W here. And that's it. Like, I think I saw somebody banging out a double on SPA. I think Christian, nice one. And I'm actually, again, he keeps, his levels are better than mine. So maybe he should do this show actually. Cause I'm still waiting on my double here. They fucking just missed me. Let me see here. Oops. So hopefully by the end of today, I found that I often get doubles out after this show on Sunday afternoons for me. So you see, they didn't want to film me today. It popped right up into there and backed off. So he's already banged a double out. So his level's better than mine. So maybe go listen to his show. And hopefully by the end of the day, I get my double, but we'll see. Other than that, I think I had another fucking double that I missed, but honestly, I didn't have my order working. What was that one? Alpha. And this one, shame on me. I didn't have my order working anyway, so I guess I should be happy but it missed me just by a little bit. This I had bought last year. perfect example of like a kind of little old lady type trade. This was, I bought against, I think probably a daily W here in October of last year and had to just immediately go way underwater. And I just forgotten about it, and I didn't have my order working, and I got like a KuCoin notification that it was up on the day, and so I went and looked and did put my order in, but I would have missed it anyway. So that's my luck this week, I guess. But I think in general, I think I'll probably still get this down the road. I mean, geez, it's like this thing, I don't know what previous history this alpha might have, but either way, you can see all we've really done is make a nice big wide W here. And actually, it's kind of coming in back into buying levels. So I don't know if this was interesting to anybody. You can see the OBV divergence just crushing. So really, my setup's in now to be a buyer here. Nice OBV div, man. Look at that. That's awesome. And this thing was strong through the week for whatever reason. But I think really at this point, we have now we have a nice, well, it's kind of ugly, but we did confirm a W. So I don't really have a problem with coming in and just drawing some fibs off of that and just kind of hunting. We're sitting above 61.8 here, but anywhere down here and below, I like hunting there. So so keep this one in mind. But other than that, I didn't have anything too exciting in altcoin land, so nothing to really talk about this week. I think I saw somebody talking about C-Pool a minute ago, which I already am long this one. But it, hopefully you can at least see that this one. Actually, this is another one I didn't get my double on. They ran it up right after I bought it. Well, for several weeks after I bought it, and I didn't get a double there. But it is what it is. I actually have gotten quite a few doubles though, so I'm not complaining. But hopefully you can see at least this one's in nice location here. Not really like a weekly W per se, but really nice location here. So maybe keep that in mind. And then I think Paul will get into somebody saying double on HBB. Christian also got a double on that. What does that look like? Hubble. Nice. Yeah, so nice pop today. Sweet. And I think there was one other one too. A Fort, did you say? I think I saw people banging doubles out on Fort, but yeah, this one's nice pop here. Fort. I think I might even have a little bit of this on Coinbase, but I don't even, or maybe I'm mixing it up with some Fourth. I think I'm mixing it up with. Yeah, nice pop here. This kind of, yeah, they washed the lows here, took it down. And I guess if you're watching this little daily W that came in, but nice pop there. Jeez, that thing went, it went like 4 or 5X. Damn. Well, there you go. So always bull somewhere, they say. Definitely Leon in our group is banging out doubles on a daily basis. So regardless of what Bitcoin's doing, these altcoins are popping. Seems like more in the kind of shitcoin land than opposed to like the ones that we're probably talking about today, the sort of higher market cap ones. But definitely a lot of the small caps popping. And of course, like everybody's talking about Pepe today, which went insane. And I'll just leave with Paul and I were just talking about how we don't really play the meme coins, but I did notice this Musk could be a potential one that, and I'll finish with this while Paul's getting ready to jump on here, but I think this is a meme coin that it's already up a lot. I'm not saying go buy this. I'm just taking a look at it for the fun of it here. Let's see. Where can I look at it? I guess on Uniswap maybe. That's not it. Musk Gold. It's just called Musk. I thought I saw it on like Gate. I don't even know which one it is now, so don't listen to me. I think it was called Musk. I mean, it's some Elon Musk bullshit. Well, now I can't even find it. Maybe it's here on Deck Screener. Again, I'm not saying go buy this shit. It's already up like 400 or 500%. Yeah, it's this. But it's only, this thing's only a few days old. It's from April 28th. And I guess if it pulls back down, I don't know. Maybe I'll throw like $20 at it just to see what happens. Well, if it's not on Ethereum, I don't want to buy $20 on Ethereum. I guess if I could buy it on the Binance chain here. Um, but yeah, anyway, sorry, I'm just a little spaced out today. Sorry. I'm getting a little distracted. But anyway, this is another fucking meme coin. I don't know if you're into playing these. Good luck with you. We were just talking about it before the show, like Pepe, and how, I mean, you might catch one of these if you're lucky, but it's not really the type of trading that we do. This thing has just gone nuts, but like, I mean, I suppose if you had insider information and you somehow were here buying that W, then great, you're up a shit ton. But it's not really, once something like that, Musk is like somewhere in this territory right here. I don't know. It's not in my plan to go just ape into something like this, so I can't really trade things like this. It's just not my style. Like, I mean, if it's something that you're good at and you can spot these things early, then more power to you. This thing's gone nuts. It's just not really, like, I'm not going to go buy something like here hoping for this move here. That's just not the type of trading I do. So,
It's just playing the lottery.
yeah, exactly. You're just playing the lottery. So, I mean, if that's your thing, you're probably going to find that maybe you lose on a bunch of them. So you got to, if you manage your risk and you take 20 bets and make one of these, then okay, fine. But it's just, again, not really what we do per se. So, so you're not going to find me talking about a lot of these type of trades, but it is what it is. This one's the meme coin du jour, which I thought was funny because there's got to already be Pepe coins, right? This isn't the first. How could this be the first Pepe coin? It seems weird, but nonetheless, I'll just leave it at that. Sorry, Paul. I'm just kind of rambling. I'm not particularly prepared today, but
Yeah, it's okay.
but it's also pretty slow. Pretty not a lot of excitement to talk about either.
No, the market is just ranging at the resistance level. If you look at Bitcoin dominance, you can see we don't have a clear level. We have news next week, so not too much to report, not too much to tell the people this weekend. Maybe next week will be a bit different. We have to work every Sunday to post 5 charts, to post some levels, some new coins, and work our plan. It's an investment plan, so week by week, slowly and steadily. Just
Yeah, and it's probably a good idea to just let this FOMC. I don't know, or that could, if you're like trying to snipe entries on altcoins, maybe have your orders working down low, and maybe you get lucky and some sort of dump happens into those levels. But otherwise, it's probably,
if you have, I don't know, if you know to play the shark setup or the even 88.6, maybe even an SFU on the lows, yeah, put some orders. But yeah, preferably is to wait after the news, so you can frame with a nice W to frame your risk. If you are a little old lady guy, yeah, you can put some limit orders below and hope for a nice dump.
Yeah, and hopefully in general, we just, it would be nice to see a little bit of a rollover here into June and July so that we could buy these things. It's kind of what
After
I'm
the middle of the May, in the middle of after 15 May, yeah, usually the market is starting to go down. That doesn't mean this month exactly at the first day of on May will go down straight down. No, but usually May it's starting to go down. Then we have June and July, and maybe August we have some nice pump. Maybe sometimes. But for us, for our investment plan, it's a good thing that the market is going down. If the market will go down, we'll fill our orders. If we'll go even more down, will be even better because we can buy even cheaper. So let's hope for a nice dump.
Yeah. I will add that I do see a lot of people that are hoping or looking for some sort of epic crash, and I don't know if there's going to be an epic stock market crash.
We don't need an epic crash. We need just to slowly grind down.
Yeah, I don't
give an opportunity to. Let's see, maybe a black swan event. Who knows?
That's why I just got to wait for weekly W's. Well, I got your screen on already. Whenever we're looking at Raven right now, so we could jump into those coins if you want, and maybe we have some time at the, we might have some time here at the end to
Yeah, if we'll have time at
take
the
a
end
look at some
to
other.
take some requests, yeah, why not? So for today, we have first coin, it's Raven. And you can see, I like this chart. You can see the W, where the bull market started. And now, back in the ranging mode. I like that. Indicators, I don't see anything, I don't know, particular special on this one. Some bullish divergence in RSI, some bullish divergence in MACD. Even OBV is trying to put some nice Ws. Okay, I like that, but from the all the way down to sideways movement, I'm okay with that thinking. Weekly W, I don't see a particular a really nice weekly W on this one.
I mean, I
Yeah,
see an
if you
M
zoom in,
for
yeah,
potential
I
M
don't
right
see
there.
something special to tell me, yeah, buy at the market price because we'll probably go high. No, it's an old shitcoin. You know how it usually goes. They need to range and I don't know, consolidate a little bit more than new coins. What I can see here, I can see this initial W. You can see this initial W start the pump. And if I'll put a line, you can see where the market stopped last two times. Yeah, close to this level. I think is some liquidity now below this level. Yeah, some liquidity has to be below this level, and if they want to pump the market, I think they will take this level first and then will go up. Without taking the liquidity below this level, I don't think they will just straight going up. Let's put our tool VPVR and let's see the POC. You can see we are exactly at the POC. Yeah, the market price is exactly at the POC. Big volume was in this area. So we are safe enough to buy even at the market price if you want. I'll prefer not to buy it at the market price because I don't see that weekly W. If I will zoom out a little bit, you can see I don't see a weekly W the other side of the trend line. You can draw the trend line however you want, but you can see, give me a clear W the other side of the trend line. And don't give me a small, I don't know, a small one. I need a clear and big and wide one, exactly like this. Yeah, you can see a spread in 2 months, a weekly W, not in, I don't know, 4 weeks or. You can see this W, if we'll zoom in, you can see, give me a W like this, and then, yeah, I will consider a weekly W the other side of the trend line. We don't have that yet. We have an M now. So what I'll prefer to hunt at this level. We'll probably retest this level. So I'm thinking 0.5%, it's okay to buy 0.5% at this level. Let's put it 0.05. And for Raven, keep in mind, this is my first level of buying. Yeah, that doesn't mean the market could not go down and take the lows and then put a new double. But level by level, I'm okay to buy 0.5 here. And if the market will break the lows and do another W below the all-time lows, okay, I'll buy another 0.5% when I'll see that weekly W. For the moment, I'm okay with this level. Nice potential to the upside. Everything looks okay. It's an old shitcoin. Some people say, no, it's old. I don't want to. I don't know what this coin will do in future. And I don't want to know. My plan says if I have at least, I don't know, to the all-time highs, at least a 10x, then I should think about buying that altcoin. Yeah, we are just taking it step by step. Usually we are using, I don't know, 90% technical analysis, not fundamental analysis. We'll buy, if they're common R list, we'll buy even meme coins. I don't have anything against them, but to have a strategy to buy only meme coins, that is a different plan, and it's like a lottery. There are a lot of them, and only, I don't know, 1% of them they will pump. So you need a different strategy to make a winning game from that one. Okay, that's it from Raven. This is the level 0.001748. Let's look at the next one. CLO. you can see I don't have enough history, or at least not on Binance. You can see we'll probably have some same kind of a movement if you look back, but nice potential. 60 cents. The all-time highs was more than $10. Okay, more than 10x. If I would put my VPVR, I could see the POC. It's exactly, the market is exactly at the POC. I'm okay with that. It doesn't matter how I'll draw my trend line. We are the other side of the trend line. That's we can draw it. I don't know, something like that. Something like, usually this is the correct one. But even if I put this one, still a good one, we are the other side of the trend line. So now we are in the consolidation phase, and if we'll see a clear weekly W, we can play around. Nice POC, exactly at the market price. Let's put some indicators and let's see what we have. You can see indicators, same kind of idea like most of the altcoins. Nice bullish divergence on MACD, old one, but still. You can see the RSI, nice Ws. It's trying to go above 50 line on weekly chart. Maybe will take some time, needs more consolidation until we'll do that. Nice Ws on OBV. You can see OBV looks interesting. Not the best one, but still looks really nice. Wheelie was oversold a long period of time. Now it's at the 50 line, at the middle line. I don't see anything particular to go and buy at market price. You can see we have an M on Wheelie, even on moving average. So I don't think is anything to go and buy at market price. Maybe we should hunt lower. So let's hunt lower. We have a weekly double. You can see here. This is a weekly double. It's confirmed already. Honestly, I'm not so tempted to buy it as usually I will do usually in the long reload zone, but because the difference between, let's call it 78.6, yeah, and the all-time low is not, is only, let's call it 20% difference. I'll prefer to buy it like we should buy it at 78.6. If the market wants to go lower, okay, go lower, then I'll buy another 0.5%. But what I see in this area, we have this long reload zone. We should wait for a W in the long reload zone or below. But 78.6, keep in mind, we are 1 year before the halving on Bitcoin. I think we should buy it at 78.6, and if we break lower, we should buy another 0.5. So this is my level. Let me deactivate the magnet. Yeah, this will be my level. And let's just put it 0.5%. And let's just delete the reload zone. We don't need it. We need a clear level just to see it. So 0.5, 50 cents. It's a good level for this one. The all-time highs, let me see it. All-time highs was I don't know, more than $10. So 50 cents. It's a good level to start accumulating. I'll probably get a nice from 50. If I'll get a fill at 50 cents, I'll probably get a $1 price to get free coins and then to reload. So I'm okay with that level. Okay, let's take a look at the next one. This one, it's not a new one, it's an old one, but you can see nice weekly W. I like it, but pumped too much and it's too high for my taste. You can see it is too high for my taste. Even doesn't matter how I'll draw the reload zone. We don't have a weekly W the other side of this initial trend line. Yeah. So for the moment, that was a nice pump, nice weekly W. Who managed to get a nice entry down here? Yeah, nice move. But for our investment plan from now on, you can see I already drawn a level below 78.6. A retest of this big W could be a good level for me. Yeah, so I'll buy 0.5% exactly at this level. 0.0, 0.5, sorry. Yeah, If you look at OBV looks really nice. Really was oversold a long period of time. Nice bullish divergence in MACD. RSI was overbought. Now it's back in the middle. Will probably bounce from the 50 line, but we don't know yet. So for us, will take some time probably, but this is the level where I want to buy my 0.5%. If the market wants to go lower and take these lows, it's possible. We don't know. But I'll buy here and I'll sell half on a double if I'll get the opportunity. Yeah, let's see the next one. Yeah. This it's an old one. This one pumped really nice last time. A few coins in the market. What I know about this one, it's only things I know fundamental about this one. But you can see I have some levels on this one. Let's just delete this. It's not anything interesting. If we'll bounce at 38.2, I'll get my double. What we have on this one, we have a nice range. Someone probably asked me about this coin, and I put this range. We're still in that range. We have some weekly Ws. You can see in this range, we have some weekly Ws. We are retesting a weekly W. I'm okay with buying even at the market price. Nice OBV. I like the OBV. I like the MACD. I like even the RSI is trying to keep the 50 line. Could bounce from 50 line and go up again. If not, you can see it's already confirmed an EM above 50 line, so we can go lower. Let's keep this. Let's keep things simple on this one. Let's put the volume profile and see. You can see the volume profile tells me that the POC, it's exactly at the market price. So I could buy even at this level. But what I can do in my view, what I can do on this one is really simple. Let's take the high, let's take the low, and let's just wait on long reload zone. You can see we have 61.8 at this level, but look at this one. We are trying to form an EM here. So I'm just thinking I should buy at 61.8. It's an altcoin after all. So my thinking is I should wait at 78.6. Yeah, retesting these lows. Maybe I'm a cheap ass. Maybe. But I don't want 61.8. It's an altcoin and I prefer 78.6. Yeah, so 6,165. It's a good level for me. I don't want 61.8. It's an altcoin. I have time to wait. If I'll miss this one entirely, it's not a big problem. So I'll buy my 0.5% at the 78.6 level. Looks really nice. Sorry guys, I don't know what happens. Let's just delete this one, and I want to delete this one. And I guess it's even the range. I don't need the range now. I'll let the chart really clean, only with the level I need. Yeah, really nice. If we'll get a bounce from 6,000 to, I don't know, 80,000, 100K. Yeah, more than 10x, it's okay for me. But for the moment, I don't want to chase in this area. Against this EM, I'll prefer 78.6, maybe even below. If I want to be a cheap ass, I'll just put this level. This will be my level. Yeah, just half of the price I'm buying 0.5%. This will be a really cheap ass level. SFU of this low, and then we can go up. But I don't want to be the cheap ass, and I will buy 0.5 here. Okay, we have another one, and the last one, Gala. Looking at this chart. This is the chart you can, I don't know, make a print screen and put in front of your computer or do something with that. This is the how you want to see a chart. If you want to invest in something, this is how you want to see it. At the bottom of the range, from the going straight down to the sideways movement. Now it's time to hunt on this one. I don't say go and buy, sell your house and buy at this level. But when you see a chart looking like that, is the perfect time to start hunting on this one. Nothing to do on the top, nothing to do when you see big volatility. Yeah, no. Let the volatility come out from the market. At the bottom of the range, you can see us trying to put some W's. If you will see a weekly W on this chart, really nice. Even at the market price, if you are dollar cost averaging, it's a good level. Looks nice to buy it. Keep in mind, a lot of people bought this coin at the top. Yeah, bought this coin at this level. Even if they draw, I don't know, and they try to don't chase, let's call it that way. And they said, no, I will buy at 61.8. Okay. Look, it's 10 times higher than the market price, even if you bought at 61.8 short, long reload zone. Yeah. So now it's a good moment to really pay attention on this one and start. If you have a plan of dollar cost averaging, start dollar cost averaging. If you want to use this plan, you can spread your nibbles, your limit orders in this area. Okay, let's delete this one. Okay, and let's, oh, volume profile, you can see. Yeah, the POC is just below the price, the market price action. I can see some yams trying to form here. Some 3-bar fractal top potential on this one. Not the best location thinking toppy, but at least I see some weakness. We can go down. I don't see that weekly W. Not yet. I don't see a clear weekly W. Maybe we can test the lows, but you can see on Binance chart start here. This is an 88.6 from this low to this high. So I think if I'll put a long reload zone and I'll try to buy 78.6, I'll be in a really nice position if I'll get a fill. Yeah. So let's take a look at. Let's put the high. Let's put the low. And let's see what we have. Yeah. It's not a big difference between, I don't know, 88.6, 78.6. I don't see that much. So I'm okay. I'm okay with buying at 78.6. Usually what will happen, and this move up will form a new weekly W exactly at the 78.6 level. Yeah, we can manage to get a better price just a bit below, but 78.6 will probably be hit. So I'm okay with thinking I should buy at this level. Yeah, even if we zoom in a little bit, you can see I don't see anything special on indicators that will tell me buy now, buy at market price because it will go higher. Let's take it step by step, and I'm okay with 0.5% to buy at 78.6. Let's just put 0.5. Okay, this is my level. I'll put a limit order at this price, and I'll just wait. It's an investment plan, so I have time to wait. I could focus in meantime on day trading, scalping, and just forget about the limit order I put in on this coin. Okay, I saw a message on Crypto Traders Arena. Someone sent some messages. Christian is just bragging about some nice doubles he got. Christian, really nice. You are an old member, let's call it that way, on Crypto Traders Arena. By the way, tomorrow we'll have 1 full year of Crypto Traders Arena. I made this community exactly 1 year ago, 1st May 2022. So happy birthday to us. Actually tomorrow morning, but I said I don't know, I'll do something special. I didn't have time to do something special with to talk about what we wanted to do with Kevin, but we can do it live. No, Kevin?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah. So what do you say? What we should do special this time on this live stream? Let's don't put too much work on you and Stefan and not even me. And I was thinking, instead of 1 winner of 1 month premium, let's put 3 of them. No,
Oh, three.
I think
Have 3 winners today.
yeah, we'll put 3
Okay.
winners on the giveaway. I
Yeah,
think it's
sure.
a good enough good enough reward for members community.
That
What
sounds good.
I will do tomorrow, but will be available only tomorrow. People who are premium members more than 6 months on Crypto Traders Arena. Keep in mind, more than 6 months. I don't want new members. I don't think it's okay to give them that opportunity. On becoming a premium member, you will see we have an option with premium permanent membership. Tomorrow, any premium member who has more than 6 months on Crypto Traders Arena, if they will give me a message, I'll give them opportunity to get the permanent subscription. You have the how much it costs. I'll give it tomorrow, and after that I'll just delete it from that because it's not profitable at all for us. It's really cheap, so let's keep it that way. I'll give tomorrow opportunity to pay for permanent subscription, and then I'll remove that option. Let's do the giveaway. What do you say, Kevin? And then we'll do the request.
Yeah, sounds good.
Yeah, so let's pick some winners. This time we have, I don't know, 11 from 13. This time maybe DMAC will get another chance because there are few. And I noticed DMAC has 2 accounts, but it's a different story. He retweeted from both of them, so it's okay. Okay, pick winners. And let's put 3 of them. Oh, 3 of them. I don't think we need we need drums. And let's pick 3 winners.
3 out of 11. That's pretty good.
Okay.
Oh, look at that. Wait, I
won. Kevin. So, Crypto Lee, D-Bank, never in your life on this community to tell us that the giveaway is not for real. Yeah. Not even joking. Yeah. Just don't say that again.
That's so funny because
don't even think.
I accidentally retweeted the old post this morning when I was going to retweet the new one, and then I won.
Yeah.
Cool. Now I don't have to work off my membership.
Yeah. What do you say, Kevin? We'll give another winner.
Sure.
And yeah. Okay. So I did this one. Let's. I don't know how I should do this one again. Honestly, I don't know how to do this one again because I'm just posting here. If I'll go back, oh, I need to take this one again and put it again. Okay, I'll do that. Nah, nothing I can do. So 16. Okay, let's take this one. Copy link and let's put it back. Huh? So no, is this one? No, it's already here. Apply 5 filters. Okay. Now we have more. Okay. Pick winners. Now pick another one instead of. Hey, Alexandru is the third winner. Just 1 second to make a print screen. Yeah. So Kevin, sorry, you didn't win anything.
Yeah, that's all right. Friends and family aren't eligible.
Yeah. So I guess 3 members for this occasion. It's okay for us. I wanted to do more, but keep in mind the market state. No, not too much people are interested in trading. I didn't want to post anything on Twitter and brag about we have in 1 year. We'll do it next year. Probably will be a better opportunity to do that, in my view.
Yeah,
But
it's funny. There's just not that many people involved in crypto right now. It seems like
not even people from the R community, they are not watching this video. They are, I don't know. If they are not interested, I know when they will become interested. At the top of the market, but in that environment, I don't think I could help them with anything. At least I could tell them don't buy it now, wait 1 or 2 years more. Now is the time to pay attention, guys. So let's take some requests.
Yeah, I think well, audio was already thrown in there.
We had audio. We already charted that one.
I think I'm like already still a double up on audio. Maybe not now. It's pulled back a bit.
Yeah, so audio, we spoke about watch the other videos. It's not even let's see last week. So we we talked about this coin. Yeah, or buy in the middle and the sweet spot. But if you are a cheap ass and you have patience and you want to buy more than that, you can even put a order here. You don't know if something ugly will happen. You can get a nice feel in this area, and from this area you can get you can get a double almost immediately. Yeah. So
It's funny because I have an account on audio, but I can't for the life of me figure out what the fuck the coin is for. I mean, it's basically just like a SoundCloud copy, but I don't know what the coin actually does.
yeah. I don't know either. I'm just a stupid trader. You know me, or a stupid investor, Kevin. You know me. I'll buy exactly where my plan says to buy. I'll sell half on a double. I'll reload and do that, repeat that again and again. When I'll see the bull market starting, I'll just put my hands under my ass and I'll just wait. From that point, I'll sell at house level 10%, just to recover some of my initial investment, if it will be the case, and I'll keep the rest. That's the P cycle top job to tell me when I should sell.
Yeah.
Uh,
I already have a free
exactly.
position on this one.
Keep it simple and stupid simple. Just don't overcomplicate this thing. You will not be more profitable. You will put more emotion. You'll put a complicated plan and you'll end up selling the bottom and buying the top. I don't want that. I want a clear, simple plan. Little old lady by itself, risk management with selling half on a double, it's a good plan. I was thinking I'm smarter than that, and if I'm watching the charts every fucking day, I could do a better version and I could get more reward. Let's see what will happen in the end. I don't want to overcomplicate anything. We have another one, Acro, DMAC.
Acro.
I think we have Acro already, but let's take a look. Acro crypto.
Stocks. I went through the crypto stocks this morning, but I really just don't see anything to get too excited about. Unfortunately, I shared the ones that I thought were good already.
You can
But
see the Mac. You can see we are in reload zone. If you will see a W here, if you are an investor, you want a weekly W. If you are some kind of swing trader, you want a daily W. Nice location, nice OBV, nice RSI above 50 line even on weekly chart. If you want to invest, it's okay-ish. You can wait at 78.6. You can buy it here. If you want to be I don't know, some kind of trader, you want a new double in the long reload zone or at 78.6 to start hunting. I will not go below 1 day chart because it's not the point of this live stream. But look at the OBV and just take a look at OBV. You need a reason to start buying here. But you'll get a nice sell half on a double pretty quickly on this one.
man, a lot of these are showing like potential weekly M's.
Yeah, not the location to consider that for a trade, but
Well, right
you
now
should
for
keep in mind
sure, but
keep in mind we have an M, so the market could go lower. If the market will go lower, it's a buying opportunity, definitely. We are well past the selling opportunity, guys. Now,
yeah, not a
any
short.
retracement, it's a buying opportunity.
But I mean, altcoins could get crushed pretty good if depending on what Bitcoin does.
Let's hope so, Kevin. Let's hope so. We have a lot of orders to fill, and if we'll take a look at look at here, we need a really nice dump to get a fill on all of the limit orders we have.
Yeah.
So we'll probably get them in time, but a nice dump could be really nice for our plan. Again, This plan is free. Yeah, you have the plan. You have the I don't know how to say it. It's your responsibility what you do with your money. Don't try to think you should do or invest your money with without do your diligence. Just don't do it. Read that uh, fine print with red, and you'll understand. But we have a complete plan. In my view, in our view, it's a really nice simple one. We have a nice spreadsheet with all the coins, all the levels, the charts, everything put together. If you want to, we have even nice statistics. If you want to play against Bitcoin, we have the same thing. So you have the possibility to put this plan in practice with against Bitcoin. It's free of charge. We don't ask for anything in exchange. You can go on the free part of the Discord and just watch for the channel weekly crypto review. You'll find the spreadsheet. You'll find the videos. You can even go on this spreadsheet and make a copy and have your own copy. Miku and other guys, they put a lot of time and effort to put together this spreadsheet. It's our way to try to help not only the traders, everyone interested in trading and investing in crypto. This is our way to try to help you guys. More than that, it's up to you. Nothing we can do more than that for free. I know who is millennial. Let's take a look at Rad.
Rad. This is an old school coin, I think.
Yeah.
Unless it's.
Let's see. Let's put the weekly chart on daily. Looks nice. I know who is a millennial inside, so I know who will show me a really nice chart. Yeah, looks nice. Looks nice to buy it at this level.
Nice,
Even
it
if I'll
looks
put
good.
the, yeah, you can see just a bit above. You can buy it at market price if the Bitcoin will not crash. This one could go higher because looks bullish. It's trying to put some W's. Let's see indicators. Look at this OBV. I don't know what to say more than that. Nice OBV. Nice RSI. MACD, we don't have enough history. You can see we don't have enough history to see something. It's not looking great, but look at Willy. Really nice oversold a long period of time. Yeah. Looks really nice. If you want to, I don't know, to buy it a bit lower, okay, you can draw a reload zone. But even at the market price, if you are I don't know, even a swing trader, I know the guy who mentioned this coin. It's a damn good trader, so he's probably already in. Yeah, this will be the yeah. You can see 78.6 W in this area. In this area, it's okay to buy and hope for a 2 to 1. Yeah.
It's funny. I'm assuming this is radical. I was thinking there used to be a coin called Rad Fun that was like from 2017. It's probably long gone now. This isn't
Probably
it
it's the
though.
same coin, rename or
No,
redo
this
or
yeah, maybe they renamed it, but I'm looking at it here on CoinMarketCap. It's different, but
yeah. So this
radical.
one, I don't know, $2. The all-time highs was $30, more than 10x. Okay, I'm okay with that. Okay, Millennial Insight says another one. I'll take a look. I know why. Yes, fund. I guess KuCoin. This one? Yes, fund. I guess this one. Nah. Same
Nice.
kind of idea. Nice weekly W. Nice weekly W. The market is exactly at the POC. Retesting that weekly W. Indicators. I don't see that the same OBV, but look at this OBV. Still looks nice. Look at this. Yeah, bullish divergence. Nice W. Looks okay. I like it. RSI above 50 line, bouncing from 50 line. So thank you, Millennial Insight. I know you have nice ideas and you're a good hunter on altcoins. Even on scalping, swing trading, investing and scalping, you're a really good trader. Okay, I like this one. So you have some new ideas. We have anything else?
Well, since he's a millennial, we got to give him a trophy.
I don't think he's a gladiator already. I don't know what
No, I'm just
anything
kidding.
else I
That's
could
just
give.
like, yeah, that's just like,
He's a old. He's probably from the beginning. I think he's from the beginning in the crypto traders arena. I don't know if exactly from May, but short after I made the group. Yeah, looks really nice on this one. So nice ideas. You can I don't know, take some of these ideas and maybe hunt on them if you want.
yeah, I like that. I like both those. I'm gonna go look at them
Yeah,
after this.
yeah, they look really nice. I don't know. Let's see. We have another request.
ONT,
This
which I feel like we
this
just
last
looked at that
two.
one.
No, ONT no.
Ontology.
ONT ontology. Yeah, old shitcoin I know it from 2018. One was $8. I managed not to FOMO in and to buy it at $8, but I didn't make money with that one. Okay, let's see it on Binance. Yeah, you can see in 2018. I noticed the ontology at $8 in 2018. So in this area, I didn't buy it here. I bought it here, so I didn't do anything. But that was a losing idea.
Damn, that thing's gotten crushed.
It's a, yeah, it's an old shitcoin. If you want to put it in this plan and buy it, I'm okay with that. To buy it now the weekly double, but honestly. Yeah, I know the Mac, but honestly, I prefer not to invest more than 1% on this one, even if I have different plans. It's an old shitcoin, didn't perform really well. From what I remember, I don't know if I remember correct, they have a lot of coins in the market. They didn't do what they said they will do. Yeah, probably. They have new version now of better shitcoin than ontology. At that point in 2018, was a nice one, but you can see it didn't perform really nice last time. Yeah, so managed to get from 30 cents to $3, not even 10x. But yeah, you can buy something if you want.
Yeah,
We'll see. We'll see. We'll see. I don't say don't buy, but don't sell your house. Don't buy too much. That's my idea on that demand. Okay, so we have 1 hour and almost 20 minutes. Let's see if we have another request.
not seeing
No.
any other requests.
Now I'll
Yeah,
tell what I'll
crypto's
do.
boring.
I'll just let's take a look. I'll see my version of what we see on higher time frames. Let's put the daily plan. Let's take a look
Looks.
at Bitcoin dominance.
Somebody just asked about looks. I know looks is struggling to hold the lows. I'm already long that one.
I think we took a look last time on looks. The same guy asked, but I will take a look. Guys, I don't see. Let's hide everything we have. This is Bitcoin dominance on weekly chart. You see something something interesting in this area? Let's just hide everything. Just look at the price action. You want to buy altcoins at this level, or you want to wait for at least a. I don't want to speak ugly. Show me a 3-bar fractal top. Show me a nice double or nice M in this area. This look like a nice W trying to confirm now. If this will confirm and will go higher, we can go below more than 50%. We can go 57. Give me a clear, I don't know, 3-bar fractal, an M on daily chart. That's why I'm not so enthusiastic to buy altcoins now. Look at the chart. It's just in a range. Exactly, it's in a range, but give me a reason to think this will go back in the range. Just give me on daily chart, give me a nice, I don't know, a nice 3-bar fractal on daily. Let's put auto. Give me something to work on. Give me a look at here in this area. Maybe we can put a head and shoulder or an EM. But for the moment, you can see. For the moment, we don't have anything to think bullish on altcoins. Bitcoin dominance is going up for now. Let's take a look at Ethereum versus Bitcoin. Same kind of idea. Now let's start with weekly. I'm not overly bullish in this area, and I guess you understand why. If we will test this level, yeah, 50.0058, okay, but we can go a lot lower. I don't see anything special. A lot of people say that they said 1 month, 2 months ago, yeah, I'll change my Bitcoin on Ethereum because Ethereum what? I don't see anything special at this level. It's just the middle of the nowhere if you look at the overall chart. Yeah, in this area, yeah, it's okay to change your Bitcoin in Ethereum. Yeah, but at this point, no, not yet. I don't see anything special. Okay, let's take a look at looks again. Let's see if I remember correctly. Yes, this one.
Looks.
At the bottom of the range on KuCoin. Yeah, I don't like this OBV. That's ugly OBV in my view. Someone dumped a lot of coins in the last move down, and this one. So they pumped the market, put a weekly W, pumped the market up. When the market managed to get at this level, someone just market sold everything. They dumped a lot of coins in this small move, not in this one, but in this one. So now I don't see anything. I don't see a weekly W. Yeah, we had a weekly double, but we're retesting the lows. Now I need a new one. I don't see that yet. Let's take a look at daily chart. Maybe we can see something. Okay, give me a new W with some bullish divergence. Yeah, we have some bullish divergence in the last move down on MACD at least. Let's see. We don't have a bullish divergence on OBV because this is a higher low. So yeah, maybe a Davo, but give me a clear W in this area, W on RSI, W on OBV, even on Willy. I don't see it now. I don't see why I should buy it here because yeah, we have a nice location to think long, but give me a clear W. And probably I'll do something like that. Wait for the breakout and buy at the retest. Wait the breakout on the W and then hunt at the retest. If I'll manage to get at the retest, okay. If not, next bus. Definitely, if you fundamentally you trust in this project, you know it's I don't know, the best thing you saw. Okay, store dollar cost averaging. You have a really nice location. We don't know how if this project will succeed or not. Maybe I think most of you know more than I do on fundamental part of on more of the 80% of the altcoins. I'm sticking to my technical part. Probably the millennial inside knows about looks more than me, at least. We have another request, Kevin.
No, it
I
doesn't
don't
look
see
like
anything.
it.
Yeah. Yeah. So
Doesn't
looks
looks like
nice
it.
location. Yeah, it doesn't look like it. uh, nice location on looks. We can arrange and go a bit lower on this one. Dollar cost averaging, nothing against. Small nibble to buy, I don't know, 0.5%, nothing against. I don't see a new weekly W. I don't see anything.
I didn't notice. I don't know if Rareables is also a marketplace for NFTs, but I noticed that thing was popping this week. It's
Nimenalto, you said, I guess you wanted e-gold. And you're a Romanian guy, from what I noticed.
you, some Romanians' favorite coin.
Okay. Yeah, I know. I'll take a look, but if you are long enough in this community, you know my opinion about e-gold. Yeah, you know what I want on e-gold. Yeah. I want
Damn.
my at least my $20. Yeah, I want my $20 level. I have limit orders below $20 until $10. Yeah. Uh, Really nice move up, nice hype on the last cycle. You can see we are the other side of the trend line. We are not going down, we are going sideways. If you are a dollar cost averaging guy, okay, you have my permission to keep going. Yeah, you can dollar cost average on this one. Uh, Personally, if I want to buy at this level for an investment, not quite. Why? Because I know this coin from a long time ago, and if I'll put the weekly chart, you'll understand me why. I don't see that weekly W, yeah, and I see where the price action start moving and becoming a bull. You can see, yeah, 27, 26. I guess I could get a retest of this candle at $20. If you are a dollar cost averaging guy, you can start dollar cost averaging. If you are starting to you like this coin more than me and you want to don't miss the bus, you can buy 0.5% even at the market price. Because from $40 to $80 to get your free coins is not such a big deal. Yeah.
There's a
So
damn
I
lot
don't
of
have,
upside there on that chart.
yeah, a
The
lot of
10x, I
upside.
guess.
No, the project is it's okay-ish. They had some problems, but they managed to resolve them pretty well. I'm okay with that idea. They don't have too many coins in the market, so that's a good thing. They are still working at the project because it's a Romanian project. I managed to get some information, so they are still working on that project. They are not let's say just spending money. They spend some money on some stupid things. I know that, but at least they are working on making this project to succeed. So I'm okay, give him a chance. If I will see a weekly W, then I will reassess. Until then, I like the project and I have my orders at $20. It doesn't matter if I'll not get my order. I could reassess, yeah, after I will see a weekly W. For the moment, nothing to do for me. I know a lot of Romanians, guys, they will tell you that this the best thing will go to the moon. You can see it's not such, it's not like that. It's another altcoin with, yeah, nice perspective, but I don't want to chase. And I will not chase until I will see a weekly W. I'm not touching this one. If he wants to go below $20 to get my feel, okay. It's that simple. A lot of potential. $500. I'm okay with that. So nimeni
Sweet.
altul, I think I know. Usually Romanian guys, they are asking me about e-gold. They already bought somewhere in this fucking area above $100. Some influencers managed to tell them to buy. Yeah, $100 is the best thing you can get on e-gold. Buy it now. I know a lot of them they did that. But what the people they don't know that the guys who managed to who told them to buy at $100, they got some free coins. Yeah, they got some free coins for shilling your e-gold at $100 and above. Nothing you can do now. If you bought higher and you still, I don't know, respecting the risk management, you can draw your price down, accumulating dollar cost averaging lower. Okay. If not, just stop. Don't buy more and wait at least to get your money back. It's hard to give you an advice when you are exposed from a higher level. Honestly, and I don't want to do that. AVAX, okay, why not? We have AVAX already, but we don't have it. We should have it. Not on that list, but we have it. Yeah.
Oh, you're on Ava or Avax? You're on
No, I
that's
need AVAX.
Travala. We did look at
Yeah.
Travala last week. I think I kind of like that one.
Ding, ding, ding. But I guess we have this one on, let's see. We don't have AVAX? What?
Yeah, we
We
should.
don't have it. We have it. I don't see the order. Let's check the list. Let's see where we wanted to buy AVAX. AVAX should be in our list, but I don't see that. Maybe I changed something on my AVAX. Should be one of the first AVAX. I see a error on this one. Why? But let's see what the level. What was it? $7. So on AVAX we have a $7. We are trying to buy it at the probably at this breakout. Yeah, somewhere in here. I don't see that. Exactly what I said, Nimenalto. I don't see that wide weekly W. Yeah, I like this chart because I see it's not going straight down. It's trying to go sideways now. But I don't see that weekly W. Usually a consolidation will take more than you see on the chart. You can see the chart is not looking, the indicators, they are not looking so great. Yeah, you have a nice location to start dollar cost averaging. Yeah, you have a nice location to thinking long. You are not wrong thinking long. Yeah. But in the same time, I don't see that weekly W. I don't see a special reason to think, yeah, this one is ready to go up, straight up. No. Let's just be realistic and have patience if we are investing. If you are the trader, then you should go on daily and take a look at daily, then on 4-hour chart. Maybe you want to see a W on 4-hour chart with some bullish divergence. You definitely have a good location here. But for investment, I want that weekly W the other side of the trend line. So give me something clear here. Yeah. Doesn't matter how you put it, you don't see a weekly W in this chart. Let's wait. We are waiting. Our level is 7.1. So we still have some waiting to do. I guess this one. Why? Because I'm stupid. That's why. Why I don't have the. Come on. Because I was hiding everything. And I have more than I need on this one now. Let's just clear everything and just leave the. Yeah, you can see why we are waiting at $7. This is the retest of this level. This level wasn't retested until now. We don't have a weekly W, especially a weekly W the other side of the trend line. So we are okay with waiting at $7.
Yeah, if you draw a trend line off the lows, kind of
I
gets
don't want to do that.
it's the bottom
I
of a
don't want to do
megaphone.
that. Yeah, because it'll scare me and I'll move my
Well, it'll
my
just
order
mean
even
it'll
lower.
probably hit your 710, like it'll just be sometime down the road it'll hit that 710 level.
Yeah, yeah. I'll
That's
probably
like a
move
megaphone
my
right there, Foreman.
yeah. I'll probably move my order a bit below, so I don't want to do that. And July to get my order, okay with that idea.
That's probably what's gonna happen.
Yeah, probably I'll get in July, close to August. I'll get my order filled. I'm okay with that. Thank you, Adrian. Yeah, we have AVAX at 7.1. So nimeni altul, that's the idea. We don't chase. I hope you are speaking about investment. If you are speaking about trading, ask on the Romanian chat. On Discord, we have the Romanian part of the chat, a channel where we are speaking in Romania. If you want to trade, you can join our premium membership. If you want to learn more about trading, but it's totally up to you. On this live stream, we will stick to weekly and daily chart.
I actually did trade AVAX a little bit with THG recently.
Yeah, if he has a nice small micro trend with Holy Grail, you can make some money. THG is not for I don't know. It's not for people without experience because you need to be able to take 3 or 4 losses in a row without and be okay with that. Beginners, when they'll see one loss, second loss, I don't know, the third loss, at the third loss, they'll say, no, this indicator is not okay. This strategy is not good. And you have to learn, and you'll take time to learn to think in a series of trades, 20 trades, 100 trades. If I'll take this trade 100 times, I have an edge, I'll make money or not. This trade, this particular trade could go up or down, I don't know. But I have an edge if I'll take this kind of trade 100 times. That's your edge in the market, and everyone should find his edge in the market. Everyone is thinking different. Everyone will see the market different. What we can help to define a process, to make a plan, to learn you to be patient and disciplined, to make your own plan and your own setup if you want. But you have to put the time and effort.
Yep. Indeed. And go read Trading in the Zone if you haven't read it. That's
Yeah,
what
go
he
read
talks
Trading
about.
in the Zone. If you are a lazy motherfucker like me, you have on
Or
premium
watch.
part of the Discord, you have the entire DVD video on Discord on useful links. Yeah,
It's also a pretty
especially
short
put
book. It's not the longest book ever. It's pretty short.
yeah. So you just read it, put the time and effort, and understand. I watched the second. That video is DVD is from 4 parts. The last part, the fourth one, I watched that one more than 10 times. Trust me, and I'll probably watch it again and again
Yeah, I
because
mean,
it's so valuable and it's hard to. You will understand at the logical part, but to function, to really get the idea of what Mark Douglas is saying, it's really hard.
he really hammers home that series of trades idea though. That's what made me think of it.
Yeah, you have to
And he's
think at
right.
least in series
Totally
of
right.
trades, 20 trades at minimum.
Yeah, I think I was even saying one day, like, go and it's worth going and doing all the math on figuring out, like, what happens if you take 40 wins and 60 losses on at a 3-to-1 risk reward. It's good to like watch yourself or watch it so you can kind of see how you don't have to be right all the time to make money.
Okay, this site is under construction. Doesn't matter. Okay, I'll take this one. Yeah, copy, close it, and I'll post the link. Yeah, I'll post it here. Go and play around with that. Yeah, go and play around with this one. At least to get a grasp, you have the equity, you have the win probability, win loss relation. Just let's give it a try, and you'll see what your edge should be. How, if you're risking, what percentage you should risk, your risk to reward, your win rate. Everyone is talking about win rate, but is forgetting about the risk to reward ratio. Yeah, so if you want, you can play with that. Okay, I guess we have more than 1 hour and a half. So let's keep it that way. We have a good habit to keep it at 1 hour and a half. So, Kevin, you know me, I don't like to say goodbye.
Oh, you're too sentimental.
Yeah, I guess so. Let's change this one until we'll close. Let's put this one. If you want to win 1 month premium membership, just retweet the pinned tweet from Crypto Traders Arena. We have 3 retweets. We still have time until next week. DMAC, if you want to win another month, go and retweet it. We don't have a maximum amount of times you could win. You can be a premium membership all your life just from retweeting.
Yeah, we're just having fun. Trying to do something nice every week. DMAC, you could win every month. You had to take your losers up front, and now maybe your winners are gonna roll in.
And then other guys will tell that the giveaway is rigged.
Well, we do reserve the right to stop.
To have an opinion.
Cool. Well, it's not like I have some great goodbye statement or anything either, but I'll play our little outro video, and of course we'll be back next Sunday, same time as always, and throughout the week we'll be trading away as always. So come hang out with us if you like. And actually, real quick, Paul, did you say you're going to open up the two? I think now on Tuesdays during the New York session, anybody can jump in our live stream. Is that correct?
Tuesday, yeah.
Yeah. So
In the London session, every premium member will have access on the London session. That London session is only for VIP. So premium members, they'll have access in the London session. Everyone from Discord will have access on New York session every Tuesday. So if you are just a general member, you have access on that live stream Tuesday on New York session.
cool. Yeah. So come hang out with us on Tuesdays if you want. 1300 or well, we start at 12:30 UTC. So I think 12:30. Yeah. Or no, that's my. Oh no, that's UTC. Fuck. I always get these time zones confused. Anyhow, so we'll leave it at that, and we'll be back next Sunday. Everybody have a good rest of your weekend, and see if the futures market opens up here in a few hours. And I'll just talk to y'all soon. So I'm gonna hit this outro and say goodbye.